Dear friends, welcome back. In this video, I'd like to continue our Bandit series on the OverTheWire platform. The level I'm going to do will be level 5. Here is its description. The password for the next level is stored in the only human readable file in the in here directory. And the commands you may need to solve this level, like ls, command, cd, cat, file, do, find, and so on and so forth. Before we go further, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. You're greatly appreciated. So without further ado, let's just get started. We can head over to Kali Linux VM. First of all, we need to SSH to the target or connect to the target SSH, and I'd like to autocomplete this command. So this would be the current username Bandit 4, and this is the host or the IP address of the target. And then, as I said before, in the Bandit series, we need to explicitly specify the port number, because this is not standard or default port number by SSH service. So now we can hit enter. It's asking us to supply the password. Of course, no problem. We can paste in here. Now we are in the target shell, or we are in the target machine. First of all, we need to locate in here directory, right? So how to locate? We can use the find command, and we need to specify some options. The first option, of course, not option. We need to specify the location or the scope of the find command will be going to work on, okay? I'd like to search, or I'd like to find directories or files from the root directory. And then we need to specify the option. The name is in here. And next option I'd like to configure is type, because we are interested in directory. In here should be directory in this case. So we can put the D. Okay. And maybe this command will generate some errors. I'd like to redirect all error to black hole. Press enter. As you can see, we can find the location of directory in here. You can ignore this one and also this one. This one is, our scope for this level. So now, actually, this is in our home directory of current user. Okay. So next, maybe let me clear the screen by pressing keys Control, Shift, and L on the keyboard. So now we can get bigger space on the screen. And then next, we need to go inside this directory in here. And the next we need to run is ls command. Ls means list, is short of list, and this command will list directory content. Okay, if you do not specify the directory, this command itself will display or print out directory content of current directory. Okay, and usually I will put options the A, which means all. I want to retrieve all files and the directory, even they are hidden types, okay? And also I'd like to use L option. L option means the long list format. Also the H option, the human readable size. So the size of the file or directory will be easier to understand, okay? So now we can press enter, and we can see besides the two special directory, the current and also the upper directory, we can find other files, and all files are prefixed with a dash. And I think I've already demonstrated the technique to retrieve the file which prefixed with the dash. We can use one of the ways is cat and the current directory dot, and then we can use the use this way to retrieve the file. Of course, this is the gibberish data. Maybe this is the executable or some sort of other files. We cannot use the cat or more or less text editor or text. Some utilities cannot retrieve. Okay, you can check all files one by one manually, but this process would be so tedious. We can take another way. We can utilize another very important command, file. I think I've already demonstrated this technique a lot. We can use this file command. In the Windows, we can determine its file type by its extension, but in Linux, this is not a good way. To determine the file type, the safer way is to use the file command. Okay, and you can use the file and to check the file type of every file, but this is also again very tedious. We can use the wildcard or asterisk. Okay, I show you what I mean. We can use the current directory dot, and then we can use the star or asterisk or wildcard, and this means all files under the current directory. So now we can press enter, and you can notice here there is only one file, which is a ASCII text file, and you can, of course, you can cut out file. Okay, and then we can get the password for the next level. Okay, but we assume that there are thousands of files, and many of them are text file or ASCII file. This way is not so good. We can combine this command with another command, grep. We can use grep to search keywords. Okay, and to combine two commands, we should take advantage of a pipe. Pipe is very good means of command combining in Linux. And the output of the first command will be input of the second command. So let me show you. So we can use the file or files, and we can grep, and then I just want to retrieve a ASCII file. Of course, maybe sometimes this is not uppercase, so we can use option of I. This means case insensitive. So now we can press enter. Now we can get a much clearer output. Okay, so now then we can use the cat or more or some other similar commands to access or retrieve the content of this file. Okay, file 7. Okay, now we can get the password for the next level. So that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.